Now, you're also suing him for £30 postage.
Correct.
Why?
Because I sent him money to take my clothes, all my clothes, to the post office, bag them up, send them to the post office to send to my address, and he's lied and said he's going to do it and that, and...
You sent him money?
Yeah.
How do you mean? What do you mean?
Like, to try and get my clothes back.
Have you got evidence? Do you have evidence of that? Sending him money?
Yes, I believe I got some, like, messages I gave to you.
I've got it. This is you. Lol, I got your clothes, but my girl... Is this you? My girl did it wrong, lol. I need to resend them. What are you referring to?
Yeah, he did send me money to do it.
No,
but never...
listen to the message. Lol, I got your clothes, my girl did it wrong, LOL. Haha.
Right, let me stop there.
No, let me finish.
Right, cool.
I'll tell you
Go on.
when it's time to speak.
All right, cool.
I'm giving you some leeway because I want you to stay. I understand you're working through your anger. I need to resend them, but got no money. My money got stopped. My bird, you need to send me the money to do it. It's all bagged up. Just needs sending. G. That's him. I left my girls without the receipt and it's long going back up there. You reply. Yeah, but come on, Kieran, be a real man. I've sent you £30 already.
Yeah, he did.
Why would he send you £30?
To send his clothes. But I still got his £30 and he can give his £30 back. It's not a problem. Everyone's all looking at me like this, that and that. No, mate. You let your dad or let these dads have cancer, yeah? Yeah, and understand what you got to be at the hospital every day.
Anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, he's lying.
Having heard and seen all of the evidence in this matter, Lewis, I'm entirely convinced that you gave Kieran far more than that hoodie.
No, he didn't.
And I'm talking.
Yeah, he didn't.
You can stay here and listen to the judgment or you can leave. What would you prefer?
All right, cool.
Therefore, I look through your claim and I have to come to a determination. And I am more sure than not that Kieran took those clothes and despite having been given a clear, to some extent generous opportunity to send it back, you offered to pay for them to be returned. He didn't. And therefore, this court will award you £422.28. Now, Kieran, you can hide behind all sorts of things, but I've read the material here. And on any view, anyone looking at that case would come to exactly the same conclusion as me. Kieran, you've got a choice in life. You have all of the potential to be hugely successful despite your anger. You have a qualification.
Of course I have, but when people disrespect me and say I've done this, when he let me borrow the jumper, like he said, he's doing all this because the boy's in debt. Of course he's going to do this. It's a joke, mate.
Well, what's he on about? I mean, do you know what I mean? Like, where's all this stuff coming from?
Anyway, I do this myself.
I mean, like, where did these lies come from, bro?
Kieran, you see, I'm not getting angry.
Of course I'm getting angry.
I'm not. I've given you a whole opportunity to speak in this court because I've met young men like you. My clients, however, that I used to represent, didn't spend 2 or 3 or 4 years in jail. They were angry young men that went on to be even angrier young men, and they're still in jail, some of them.
Yeah, what do you expect when people accuse me of stuff? Of course it's going to make me where we are.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Somebody accuses you of something, say, look, I didn't do it.
No.
Let me help you. And if you think that what they're saying is lies, you make that assertion, it makes you terribly angry. But here's the good news, Kieran. You've got a young child, you've got a girlfriend, by all accounts, who loves you. Their opinion of you matters a good deal more than his, correct?
Yeah, that's true.
Or anybody else's.
But still, he knew my dad was in the hospital, he knew my girlfriend's had a baby. That's disrespect.
Lewis.
Makes me angry, mate.
I see that.
Angry.
This court awards you £422.28 based upon the material that I've seen. Kieran, I'm sure that somewhere those clothes will be found.
They won't.
You know that as much as I do.
Well,
that's the award of this court. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.